Hi everyone, today we learn on a topic of an alkanes. Introduction of alkanes. An alkane is a saturated hydrocarbons and aliphatic. It have only sigma bonds and non-functional groups. Alkane can be open chain or cyclic, cycloalkane. Examples of open chain alkanes are methane and 2-methylpropanes. An example of cycloalkane is cyclopropane. Nomenclature of alkanes. The name of an alkane follows the IUPAC system of nomenclature. The name of every organic molecule has 3 parts: prefix, parents, suffix. Parents, how many carbons? Prefix, where are the substituents? Suffix, what family? Example: 2-methylbutane. Parent hydrocarbon has 4 C atoms, methyl group at C2, and the family is an alkane. Alkyl group. What is alkyl group? Alkyl group is the carbon substituents bonded to a long carbon chain. It formed by removing one hydrogen from an alkane, dropping the A and E from parents, and adding suffix YL. Example: the substituents derived from methane is methyl, and the substituents derived from ethane is ethyl. There are 4 main steps of naming an alkane. First, find the parent carbon chain. Second, number the parent carbon chain. Third, identify and number the substituents. Fourth, write the name as a single word. Firstly, find the longest continuous carbon chain. First example, parent name is hexane. Second example, parent name is heptane. It doesn't matter if the chain is straight or bent. Second, number the longest chain to give the first substituent to the lower number. The methyl substituent at carbon 2. If the first substituent is the same distance from both ends, number the chain to give the second substituent to the lower number. If we start numbering from the left, the substituent of ethyl at 2 to 4. If we start numbering from the right, the number of ethyl substituent at 2, 4, 4. So the correct answer for the position of the ethyl is at 2, 2, 4, not at 2, 4, 4. If the location of 2 different substituents are same from both ends of the main chain, assign the lower number alphabetically to the first substituent. Example: so in this case, the answer is 3-ethyl, not 3-methyl. Lastly, writing the name as a single word means no spacing. Separate numbers from letter by hyphen and numbers by comma. Example for this compound, substituent is 2-methyl, parent is pentane. The name of this alkane is 2-methylpentane. There is no spacing between substituents and parents. The parent name is written last, substituent and its position must be in the front of the parent name. If two or more different substituents are present, write them in alphabetical order. Example, substituents are ethyl at carbon 3, methyl at carbon 2, parent is pentane, and the alkane name is 3-ethyl 2-methylpentane. When two or more substituents are identical, using prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, and so on. Example, the substituents are both methyl at carbon 2 and 3. So, we must write prefix di-methyl. Parent is butane and this compound name is 2,3-dimethylbutane. In deciding on alphabetical order, ignore prefixes such as di, tri, and tetra. Make sure each substituent has a number. Example, substituents are 2-ethyl and 3,6-dimethyl. Parent is octane. In this case, we ignore the prefix of di. So the name of this alkane is 2-ethyl 3,6-dimethyloctane. Naming cycloalkanes. If number of C atoms in ring is equal or greater than the number in the substituent, the parent is named as cycloalkane. Examples, the ring have 5 carbons while the substituent have 2 carbons. The substituent is ethyl, the parent is cyclopentane, and the name of this cycloalkane is ethylcyclopentane. If the ring have 3 carbons bonded with the side chain have 5 carbons, in this case the substituent is 1-cyclopropyl, while the parent is pentane. The compound name is 1-cyclopropyl pentane. When the compound contains an important functional group, the cycloalkane is named as cycloalkyl substituent. Example, this compound has a functional group of alkane. In this situation, the substituent should be 5-cyclobutyl and the parent should be 2-pentene. The compound name is 5-cyclobutyl 2-pentene. If only one substituent is present, no number is needed. Examples, the substituent is methyl, the parent is cyclopentane. The name of this compound is methylcyclopentane. When two same substituents are present, number the ring so that the second substituent has a lower number. Examples, the substituent is at 1,3-diethyl, not 1,5-diethyl. The parent is cyclohexane. The name of this compound is 1,3-diethyl cyclohexane. When two different substituents are present, number the ring by alphabetical priority. Examples, the substituent ethyl is numbering first at C1 followed by methyl at C3. Parent is cyclohexane. The ring name is 1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclohexane. When 3 and more substituents are present, begin at the substituent that give the lowest of location numbers. Example, this cycloalkane name is 4-ethyl 2-methyl 1-propyl cyclohexane. That's all for some introduction and nomenclature of alkanes. See you in the next video. Thank you.